Hi, I'm going to take you through my booth for the homeschool convention, and hopefully this can be applied to any convention that you are doing. But I had to scour the internet, reading things, watching videos. It took me a long time to find all the information I needed, like a packing list, what to do, advice, how to set up a booth, and quite frankly, I didn't like a lot of the booths that I saw. So hopefully mine will be inspiration, and just remember that you need to have a very good color scheme and stick with it. So we're gonna head, as soon as I am done making this video, to some sort of like Big Lots or Walmart or something and get some black curtains because I absolutely hate these blue. Anyway, we're gonna cover those, so please pay no attention. So again, floor to ceiling, we've got the rug, stools for coloring, and then my coloring pages. From the second you walk in, you want to be branded. You want everyone to see who you are, and I already made a contact. Another person from another booth already asked me to be on her podcast. So from the second you walk in, you want to be marketing yourself, get your branding on you, and my husband has a shirt too, and anyone else that helps me is gonna have a shirt as well. And then I made these little name tags. They're little canvas boards, and I just printed these on regular paper and then glued them on, and then I did a clear coat over top with black marker on the side. I made aprons. In my apron, I have business cards and a notebook to write things down. And we have our coupons and pens. I thought I had something else. Nope. That's all I got. Oh, I'll put my cell phone in here, but you're on my cell phone. Okay, so my table, my pub table, I've got my QR codes for my most important. What is Mad Society? My YouTube video explaining that. Then my YouTube channel, and also my website. I've got a sample book, I've got a sign that says look at my sample, and I've got my business cards. Then I put a little sign on top of, this will be my slideshow. It's not playing yet. I'll take a picture later of it playing. It's so cute. All right, and then all of this stuff is just in my barn, but it works, right? I have sample scripts. So if people want to kind of sit here, they can peruse my YouTube videos, or I will also let them look at my coach's website. I'll log into mine. That way they know if they get a subscription, they're going to be able to see what they're going to get. And then the computer playing the slideshow. And then I have my power cords that I need to tuck that in a little bit better to go under the rug. I have my bags for when people purchase a handbook. And then I'm going to give them a whistle because they're going to become coaches. So it's a little perk. I'm so thankful I brought lights. Next time, I think I'm gonna bring a spotlight to put here and here to point up onto the backdrop. As far as our strategy goes, we have a hook question. We're gonna ask people as they walk past, either if their kids want to color, we're gonna have clipboards that they can color, or if they don't have kids, we're gonna ask a hook question that will, oh wait, where's my clipboard? That's what I need to show. Okay. In addition to the aprons, we are each going to have a clipboard where we can gather names and emails, and then kind of comments like, do we need to follow up? Do they want to, did they purchase a handbook? Just writing those. And then under here, oh yeah, I made sure that pens don't fly away. I have a cheat sheet for all the things that my business offers. And I know it'll kind of be like person-based as far as like, who's going to want what, but we have things that we offer. So we have the coupons. Maybe I'll see if they want to watch a video, and then we can tell them what the discounts are. But basically under here is we're kind of working through like what we're going to do. I put the goal up here. That way anyone that helps me knows that. Then on the back, this is my 60-second spiel. And so if they want to just look it up on their phone, are you going to show them how? Like come in front of here and be like, oh, look at it, the phone. See, watch this. Did it come up? Look at that. Maybe that will save me some talking. I don't know. We'll see how that works. So it is 2 days before the convention, and I completely set my booth up and tested everything and made sure that we have all the right electrical outlets, extension cords, everything we need. And I just want to show you what I included. We are bringing two chairs that match the booth because I don't want to use the ugly ones, and I want real chairs. And then we decided underneath the storage, we're gonna have right here all of our restocking stuff in a box. And then on this side, we'll have all of our food. And then in the middle will be all the other storage stuff that we need under there. So I've got like the supplies box and extra clothes. So I have my backdrop, which make sure that you check out my color scheme video. Obviously I went with black and white, so you're gonna want to do a nice sharp color scheme. And then I have my product in the middle, and then I have lighting on the sides, and I don't know why that light's not on right now, but pencil sharpener, and then a project that goes along with kind of the theme of I have a music, art, and drama club, and so I have a little drawing grid, and then an owl, or let's see, a comic, and then it comes with a QR code. So I slapped my QR code on everything. I put the most important QR codes on this board here, which is just wood, and then I copied these on a printer and used tape on the back to put them on. I did paint this, and I put ribbon here, and my husband hung them from a carabiner and a hook. And this was an old rug that I spray painted to liven up, trying to go low budget as I'm starting this business. And the backdrop is, I have a video on how to make these backdrops. So it's a portable frame and a canvas, and then I use a projector, like an old school projector that you can rent from the library, and put your logo on there. So I hand painted that. So these QR codes back here, I figure while kids are drawing, they can look at Facebook or Instagram, because those are not quite as important as the ones that are on the board here. And then as far as the tablecloth, I have pins on them because I'm gonna sew them tonight, but I got 2 sheets, and king size sheets, and then I'm going to sew them together, and also going to sew this edge so it hangs perfectly, because that will bother me. And that way when people set it up, the booth up, they will know which side is the front. And I'm really trying to eliminate any kind of like questions or things that might be issues that people might not know what to do with when we're setting up, because it's high pressure and I will be speaking, and so I want my energy to go to my speaking and not to micromanaging the booth setup. So hopefully it will be pretty streamlined. Before I set up, I taped off the exact dimensions that they have for us at the convention, and that is my booth setup. I need some more coffee, and this is going to be an amazing convention. All right,